How to spot fake sellers in Lazada and Shopee. In this video, you will learn the 5 warning signs that you're buying from a Lazada or Shopee scammer seller. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the best tips on how to identify potential fraudulent sellers in Lazada and Shopee. Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Siguro ay may kakilala ka na nagkaroon ng hindi magandang experience sa pagbili sa Shopee or sa Lazada. There are ways on how you can avoid buying from them. Now, in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-identify ng fake seller sa online platforms. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to spot fake sellers in Lazada and Shopee. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to, and smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.